Hi all, be an expert team introducing a complete tutorial on Microsoft Office Excel. In this complete tutorial, I would like to learn you the very basic to the advanced features of Microsoft Office Excel. I just splitted the whole tutorial into many parts. Each part's link will be in your description box. In all my videos, I focused mainly on project works. So before starting my class, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications while I'm uploading new videos into my channel. So let's start. Everyone knows that the Microsoft Office Excel is an accounting software. The software is also known as accounting package. The software also known as a spreadsheet software or the spreadsheet application. By using the Microsoft Office Excel, we can prepare mark list, salary reports or payroll, attendance details or muster roll, different types of bill, etc. So what's next? Here are the list of other accounting softwares most popular in the IT industry. That is Tally, Peachtree, DACIC, Wings, QB, that means QuickBooks, MyOB, Mind Your Own Business. But we need a lot of knowledge in the accounting sector to learn these softwares. But in case of Excel, we can prepare the accounting works without any knowledge in the accounting sector. So Microsoft Excel is very simple software we can easily understand without any knowledge in the accounting software. So what's next? The next thing, I'm going to show you how we can open the Microsoft Office Excel in more professional way. To do so, press Window key and R. Type Excel here. Click on OK or press Enter key. Then choose Blank Workbook. This is the way we are opening Microsoft Office Excel in more professional way. So while opening Microsoft Office Excel, we have to remember the main thing that don't search for Microsoft Office Excel in the Start menu. It's a time-consumable process. So always open Microsoft Office Excel through a run command. It's a professional way of opening. So what's next? The next thing I'm going to learn you that what are the different screen elements of Microsoft Office Excel. Here we can see a green colored background bar which displays Book 1 Excel. This is known as title bar. And look at the top left side. The place where the save, undo or redo buttons placed is known as the quick access bar. Under quick access bar, we can get a file menu or the file tab. And we can also get a menu tab like home button, insert button, page layout, formulas, data, review, view and help. Under the file tab and menu tab, we can get a bar which contains a lot of settings known as ribbon. By using Ctrl F1, we can hide the ribbon. We can also use the Ctrl F1 key to unhide the ribbon. Under the ribbon, we can get two white boxes. First one is name box and the second one is a formula bar. The name box displays the name of the selected cell and the formula bar which displays the value in the selected cell. This area is known as a sheet which contains vertically and horizontally displayed lines known as grid lines. The grid lines will not appear on the page while taking printout. Actually, sheet is a platform to present our data. Actually, a sheet is just like a table in Microsoft Office Word. A sheet contains 16,834 columns, starting from A to XFD. Each column has its own name like A, B, C, D, E, F up to XFD. We can switch from first column to the last by pressing Ctrl right arrow and the left arrow. We can also get 10,48,576 rows in a sheet. We can switch from the first row to the last by using Ctrl up arrow and down arrow keys. This is the name of the sheet displayed. By default, the name of the sheet is Sheet 1. After opening Microsoft Office Excel, here I am using Microsoft Office Excel's 2016 version. I will get by default a single sheet, that is Sheet 1. We can add more sheets in different ways. To add more sheets, the first method is click on the plus button displayed at the right side of your Sheet 1. We can also use Shift F11 to insert more sheets. We can also use Alt-IW to insert more sheets. So mainly there are three methods. So one more method is there. So right click on any sheet, then click on insert option, then click on worksheet option, then click on OK. So mainly there are four methods to insert a sheet. First one is click on the plus symbol. The second method is press Alt-IW, and the third method is Shift F11, and the fourth method is right click on any sheet, then choose insert menu. Right click on any sheet, then choose insert menu, then choose worksheet option from the general tab, then click on OK. We can remove the unwanted sheet by right clicking on the sheet, then choose the delete option. We can also use Alt-EL shortcut. What's the shortcut I just used? Alt-EL. So we can simply delete the unwanted sheets. Next, try to insert some more sheets after deleting some sheets. The sheets number will not be sequenced. Actually, that is not a problem. The next is the place where the sheet's name displays is known as Sheet tab. By using Ctrl page down and Ctrl page up, we can switch between the sheets. Here we can get two scroll bars, vertical scroll bar and a horizontal scroll bar. As the name implies, to scroll the sheet upward and downward and the left and right. Okay, and we can see a long bar displayed at the bottom part of this window is known as status bar. The status bar contains three main buttons known as the sheet view controls. The first and the last one is very important, that is normal and the page break preview. Here I am going to type some details. Register number and name. 100. Ready. Now the view of your sheet is in normal. Suppose if you want to change the normal view to the page break preview, press Alt V P. This is the page break preview. Press Alt V N to switch the view of your sheet from page break preview to the normal view. And there is no shortcut key to switch from any view to the page layout view. At the right side of the status bar, we can get a screen element known as zoom slider. We can zoom out our sheet up to 10%. We can zoom in the page view up to 400%. There is no need to set the view of your page to 100% always. We can set the view of your page based on your comfortness. The next thing you have to learn in this video is how to switch the view of your sheet to full screen. To switch the view of your sheet to full screen, press Alt VU. That is similar to Microsoft Office Word. Press Escape to close the full screen view. In the introduction part, we have to learn some shortcut keys, that is Ctrl F1. It is related with the ribbon to hide or unhide the ribbon, and press Alt IW or Shift F11 for inserting more worksheets, and press Alt EL to delete the unwanted sheets, and press Alt VP to switch the view of your worksheet to the page break preview, and press Alt VN to switch the view to normal, and press Alt VU to switch the view of your sheet to full screen. The all shortcuts are very important. So for the time being, I'm winding up from the introduction part of Microsoft Office Excel. So see you in the next part with a lot of features in Microsoft Office Excel. Okay, thank you. Bye.